All right, guys, what's up? Ryan here with the MX Guru and AOMC YouTube channels. I've got it right here for you, the 2022 Beta 300RR. And I think you guys are going to be pumped about this one. It's got a lot of updates this year. It's super red. It looks good. It looks clean. What I find interesting about these betas, the 300, 250, 200, and 125RR all share the same chassis. They all feature fully adjustable sack suspension, Excel wheels, Max Enduro soft tires. But let me tell you about what's new for this year. The Sachs open cartridge forks are used on all four models, and they have a new anodizing on the outer tube that Beta says is harder and more resistant to corrosion. The valving's been changed inside the fork to be a little plusher. If you move back to the shock, there are new compression damping settings, which is new on all four of these bikes. Now let's talk specifically the 300. This bike is super updated, guys. You get an all new top end. You get a shorter stroke. It's still 293cc, but you have a new cylinder head, piston, crankshaft, power valve, and a smaller exhaust diameter. Now, Beta will tell you this increases the torque, but they didn't stop there. You also get a new clutch this year. Now, it's a Diaphragm Clutch, and it's three-way adjustable, so you can kind of personalize how you like your clutch to actuate. That's very cool. The clutch spool is supposed to be lighter but more progressive with this new clutch. Now, obviously the seat and the headlight are different. It went with a lot of red this year. It looks good. Something about this color red just has always resonated with me. Now, what did they do to the price with all these updates? You're going to be up $500 this year on the 300 specifically. The 250 gets a $600 increase. The 200 rises by $300, and the 125 rises by $350. So that's going to put this 2022 Beta 300RR at $96.99 MSRP. So just a beautiful bike, guys. I don't have it prepped here, or I would start it for you. But man, these things look great. I enjoy these bikes. They've came a long way in the last couple years, where they counterbalanced the motor, took away a lot of the vibration, and I would put this up against just about any other bike in the class, without a doubt. I believe this this one is already accounted for, but if you're interested in one of these, you need to contact Mike or sales at aomc.mx, and he will get you hooked up on whatever's available. Definitely want to put down a deposit as soon as possible, because everybody knows supply chain's an issue. Bikes are going super fast right now. So guys, as you know, this channel is your spot for new bike news, new models, spy photos, pretty much anything dirt bike related. So hit that subscribe button, and if you appreciate these videos and you'd like to go one step further in supporting the channel, you can join my race team for as little as 99 cents. $4 will get your name on the outro of every video, just like this one. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.